William Shakespeare was born on April 26, 1564 at the Holy Trinity Church in Stratford, England. He grew up to be an amazing playwright and poet. He went to the King's New School, a boys-only school at age 7. In 1582, he married Anne Hathaway. His first daughter, Susanna, was born in 1583. Later, twins Judith and Hamnet were born. At this time, an illness went around called the bubonic plague that killed so many people. Men drove wagons down the road collecting bodies.
Bring out your dead,
They would call. William publishes 3 poems, The Venus, Adonis, and The Rape of Lucrece from 1593 through 1594. In 1596, he applies for a coat of arms. Sadly, that same year, his son Hamnet dies from a disease. In 1608, Shakespeare's company added an indoor theater, Blackfriars, with a full roof and artificial lighting. In 1609, his sonnets were published. At his wedding reception, Shakespeare drank too much, which eventually killed him in 1616. He was buried at the Holy Trinity Church in Stratford, England.